You might be asking yourself, what are calisthenics? Calisthenics are exercises that target the muscles and increase strength, especially for the core muscles of the body. The exercises are usually done through different motion patterns, such as marching or jumping. Calisthenics are usually done as a form of exercise or fitness for people of all ages. They can also be done for sports people to increase muscle strength and coordination in preparation for an upcoming sport. But what are the benefits of doing calisthenics? Before we answer that, like this video and subscribe to our channel for future health and fitness updates. So let's dive in and discuss the benefits of calisthenics. Number 1. Calisthenics make you strong. They target the muscles of the core and increase strength. In other words, calisthenics makes a person feel and look stronger. They also can increase your endurance. Because of this, a person can last longer in a race, they are able to withstand the rigors of a workout, they can work out longer, and they are able to recover more quickly. Number 2. Calisthenics make you fit. I know, you may not want to hear this, but I have to tell you the truth. Calisthenics make you fit. In other words, calisthenics will increase your fitness level. It has been proven that calisthenics are effective for improving fitness. I mean, you don't have to do anything fancy to see this. All you have to do is look at those people that are calisthenics and they are so fit. They look like they are in great shape. They have lean muscle definition and they are toned. They look great and they probably even wear better clothes. Number 3. Calisthenics make you healthy. Here is the truth, but you do not have to like it. Calisthenics increase your heart rate and help your body burn more calories. This makes your body healthier, especially your heart. Calisthenics also help your body burn fat, and it has been proven that people who do calisthenics are more likely to lose weight. So, if you are planning on doing calisthenics and you are getting tired of gaining weight, calisthenics might be a great way to get in shape. Don't worry, it will only take a few months to get in shape. Number 4. Calisthenics make you active. They increase your metabolism and help build muscle. This gives you a better body and also burns more calories in a day. This is why you see calisthenics people being so active. They look so great and they have that great body. They also look strong. They look like they work out a lot and they look like they are in shape. It is only logical that they must be active. It seems that calisthenics is a great way to get the benefits of being active and being healthy at the same time. Number 5. Calisthenics build your confidence. They do amazing things to your confidence. And it is amazing how some people can look so good doing calisthenics. They look amazing and they look confident. They look like they are in shape and they look like they have their body together. They look like they are in the best shape possible. They even look like they are running a marathon. So it seems that calisthenics does something to the confidence of a person. This makes them feel great about themselves. In fact, we have seen people that do calisthenics and they are so confident that it makes them feel like they can do anything. Number 6. Calisthenics help you burn fat. The reason is, calisthenics have been found to increase the levels of hormones that are responsible for burning fat. So if you are looking to get in shape, you should consider doing calisthenics. In fact, calisthenics is one of the best ways to burn fat. It has been proven that calisthenics can help you burn fat, and we all know that fat is unhealthy. So, if you want to get healthier, you should definitely consider doing calisthenics. It is important to note that calisthenics may not be the best for everyone. In other words, calisthenics may not work for those people that are already in good shape. You have to consider your health and how calisthenics will affect your body. This is especially true if you are already in shape. I hope I have given you enough reasons to do calisthenics. You have to admit that calisthenics are beneficial to your body. And you may be surprised to know that calisthenics is beneficial to your mind. In fact, calisthenics has been found to reduce stress. So if you are already stressed out, you should consider doing calisthenics. It is not the best for everyone, but it is definitely a good exercise for those that are interested in staying healthy. If you are planning on doing calisthenics, you have to be careful, because calisthenics can be dangerous if you do not do them right. So you have to make sure that you know how to do calisthenics, and you have to make sure you are doing them safely and correctly. That was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Leave a like and comment to show your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the icon for the notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Remember, keep your inner genius alive.